everyone! Ever wondered where to take your family for an unforgettable summer blast? Well, let me take you through a day at Splish Splash Water Park, right here on Long Island. It's no ordinary place. It's a whole universe of splashes and laughter waiting just for you. So, you're at the entrance, tickets ready, excitement bubbling. First stop, the giant twister slide. Yeah, it's exactly as thrilling as it sounds. Imagine this. You're swirling down a massive slide, water splashing everywhere, and the adrenaline is just pumping. Trust me, it's an absolute must-try. But hey, if you're looking for something a bit more chill, let's not forget the lazy river. It's perfect for those moments when you just want to relax, float, and let the world drift by. Picture yourself lounging in a tube, sun kissing your face, a gentle breeze playing with the water. Perfect, right? Now, if you've got little adventurers with you, the kiddie areas won't disappoint. These spots are safe, super fun, and designed just for the youngsters. Watching them play and giggle in the water is just priceless. They can splash, slide, and enjoy to their heart's content, all under the watchful eyes of lifeguards. And what's a day at a water park without some tasty treats? Whether you crave a juicy burger, a crispy salad, or a sweet ice cream, the dining spots here have it all. Oh, and don't miss out on the live shows. They're bursting with energy and are a real treat for everyone. So whether you're an adrenaline junkie sliding down those epic water slides, a parent watching your kids have the time of their lives, or just someone who loves soaking up the sun by the pool, Splish Splash Water Park has something for you. It's a place where summer memories are made, where laughs are shared, and where fun is unlimited. All right, that's a wrap on our virtual tour. I hope you're as excited as I am to dive into the fun. Splish Splash Water Park is more than just slides and pools. It's a summer adventure waiting to happen. So grab your swimsuits, pack your sunscreen, and let's make this summer one for the books. Catch you in the waves, folks. Let's make this summer epic together at Splish Splash Water Park.